Hello everyone, this is TalkCube here, and I'm playing Airplane 2. Why is the music mute? We? Okay. Well no, Brian's here.
We are recording, dude. Recording, dude. See, now let's go. Oh my god, this is the same guy! Oh my god. Paul, where are you? Paul, where are you? Paul!
Are you blind?
Hi, buddy!
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Wait, why is Brian not moving?
Oh, he is moving.
Oh.
Okay, now let's go here.
Oh.
Let's bounce into this game. Run here. Run, my pretty boys.
Where are you?
Here.
Oh.
It's already teleported.
Okay.
Hey!
Let's go to... I don't know which one to go to. Let's just go to this one.
Yes, we will go here. Wait, where's Brian? Is Brian there?
Wait, no.
Brian?
Yes, Brian's in.
Hey! Hey, bro!
I'm sitting in the air.
Hey, bro! I just said, hey, bro. Whoa, my... Ooh. Oh, Paul, you're here. I got your seat. Over here.
I know, but I'm still loading. Okay.
Paul, your seat's over here.
Oh, hi, sweetie. I'm just sitting next to someone. I see Brian. Whoa!
No.
What? Why is there a kid shouting next to us?
Brian, I got your seat. Your seat.
Why is there a kid, like, in the aisle screaming? 991. Someone kill that kid.
Don't kill me, my dude. Hey. This doesn't mean anybody.
Wait, who's the pilot?
It's Pilot Kelly.
Oh,
We are Ava.
Okay, so okay,
Yeah.
come on, go.
Oh, no. Hey, I'm screaming.
All right, enough chatting. Please find your seat, Nick, or Nate, whatever your name is. You're gonna die.
I don't care.
And if someone dies, we're not restarting. But Nick, we're never gonna die. There's probably people already here.
Yes.
What the heck is going on? Nick, you're gonna die. I don't care if you die.
I didn't die.
Yeah,
I never died. God.
We did a burial over.
Oh, I never died. Ah! I screamed.
I'm trying to find a comfortable spot in this seat.
Dude,
Yeah?
I can see a rapper.
Then move it. There.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
What are you doing now?
I'm a retard.
Whoa. Oh, you were supposed to go somewhere?
Yep. Oh, I see them talking. Hey, can we open this door? Oh, Paul. Don't go close to the door.
Why?
Close
Whoa.
it. We're just getting stuck in
Welcome to
here. Hey,
the...
open this door! Agent, get out of here! Let me go in! Agent! You better let me in, or else I'm gonna call your... Or else I'm gonna call your president.
I like this one.
President Donald Trump, can you come here, please?
Wait, let's make a tower.
Yeah. Thank you for
Right there.
listening.
Where are you supposed to go?
Have a
Oh, sorry. Is this the dining room? But there is something you must know before that. I don't care. Where is everyone?
Dude, I'm a smart.
Where are you?
Dude. Oh!
Why don't you guys grab a glass of water? Wait, where are you supposed to go, Nick?
We're supposed to get him up. Get him up.
Where are you? Oh, there. Is this where we get it?
Yeah.
How do we know when we get it?
Because they pop up.
We're supposed to... Oh, there.
I'm sitting in my mouth for later. Sweet, 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 sweet.
Oh.
I'll keep my broom. I'll keep my broom, Paul. Are you kidding me? No! My broom!
Ah! We didn't keep the room. I wanted to sing in it.
Hey, I wanted to ride like a witch, like Harry
A witch.
Potter. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Sorry guys, my game was glitching.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh no, it's the president! President Donald Trump!
Everyone kill him.
No! You President Roblox, yeah? Unless he's an evil guy. Kill him.
Build that brick wall. Ronald!
President?
Ronald. Really, Ronald? I'm sorry. It's the habit. Why is this book?
What a shirt!
Ronald. I just love that name, Ronald. Ronald Duck.
Dude, you gotta put a shirt on. Oh, thank you, Mr. President. Oh my God! Put a shirt on, Paul. So I think you put a shirt on.
Ah, that's nice.
Oh, Brian,
Yeah.
sorry to forget.
Pee. I'm peeing in his. Pee. Oh, yeah.
Ew, Paul! Stinky idiot!
Whoa.
I said, psych idiot. That guy was being rude. Oh, Brian.
What did I just do? What?
Please, make me
Well,
chef. I want to be chef. I will be Chef Nicholas. I want to be Chef Nicholas.
I'll be Paul.
Fuck you, you look.
Wait, what? Yay! I'm gonna die!
Wait, what?
But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out. Wait, what?
He's a mean president. Oh, I'm coming here.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Get in the kitchen. Here, it's over here. No!
Takibi. What? What am I supposed to do?
You gotta get the ingredients.
What? I don't know what to get. I'm going to die.
Let him do
I
it.
only a pepper.
If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. Are you ready?
No.
You can do this, Paul. Pepper's over there. Pepper's over there, Paul.
Oh,
Over
I
there.
have it. I have it.
Go. Put it in the.
What do I do? Okay,
Tomato, over there! Over there, Paul, over there!
I got it. Come on. I'm clipping. Wait, click.
Paul!
Come on. I'm clicking so hard.
Oh, you gotta go!
There.
Banana!
Banana.
I'm a banana.
Okay, I did it.
Tomatoes!
Come on. There. Yes, okay. The soup needs tomatoes.
Okay, my game.
There. Oh my god. I actually did it. I had no way. Thank you, Nick. And also, I can read. It looks delicious. I put a banana, 3 tomatoes, and pepper. There's like no soup in it.
Yeah.
Nick, sit next to me. Come on.
Okay, dude,
Should I sit? Wait.
I'll sit right next to you.
I want. Where's Brian? Did Brian die?
Ooh.
Did Brian die? Oh.
Yes.
Enjoy. I was going to die. There's probably nothing going to happen to me now. I can't believe that I was the chef.
Yeah. I can't believe he just died.
Does Ronald look angry?
Ronald always looks angry. Wait, is he Ronald McDonald from
From
McDonald's?
yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna do something.
You should be
Oh, you're
eating
here,
your you again as a president. Please follow the path to the computer. Is it this way?
It's this way.
Which way?
This one. This way, Paul. Look at me. Paul, look where behind you.
Computer room. So why does it say computer room? Seriously, Nick, I should follow you. I didn't follow you because I'm a bad boy. I'm just joking. I'm not a bad boy.
Is he Paul?
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Paul, Mr. Tadeo.
Now you must try to good luck, hackers. What? Purple. It's right here. How do we do it? Where are you doing? There. Oh, that's what we were doing. I had no idea.
Hey, President, look at me. I'm gonna poop on you. Oh, I see his poop.
Yeah. Meet the president. I thought we already did. Hello, then I want to sit down. I'm definitely sitting down. I had to get everything. Anyways, as your very special guest, I will let you sleep in my president bedroom for someone. I can't find the keys. Can you look for? Ooh, I found the key. Wow, that got just like I found the key. What's going on? I just got slammed. Help! No. Help!
Paul, go to the left.
Okay, I'm in here.
You're free.
I don't know how I got free. This is where you'd be sleeping. Wait, everyone would be sleeping in here?
Hi, Paul.
Oh, hi, Paul.
Oh my God. Oh, I thought that girl was What?
Hey.
Wait.
Yeah, she is.
She says hi, Paul?
Where?
Someone said hi to you. Someone said hi to you.
Can't see.
Oh, someone's your fan, boy.
But you're not even. You can't even read it. Wait, what's that? Wait, why did I just move there?
Oh no, Paul. I
What?
saw something. It's something evil. It's from here. Oh, it's him again. It's him again. It's him. Can't be. It's impossible.
Oh, I see him.
It can't be.
I'm on the bed.
No. No. No.
Oh no, it's the monster! Yo yo yo! Imagine the creature's just like, I'm going to kill you.
Run! 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 We need to run! Come on,
Which
Cole.
way?
Let's go. Let's go. Well, are you running?
Yes! Why is everyone running so fast?
Because we're running from there. He's running from us again. Just like when he did last time.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. No. Please, why am I so far?
Paul, come here now! Quickly! Paul!
Where's everyone? Here, I'm in here. Phew!
Paul, we gotta do some parkour.
Wait, what? We do?
Over here. Yeah. Over here, dude.
That's like dramatic music. Do we have to jump? Are we safe now? No! Like, everyone survived. Everyone knows what they're doing. Imagine someone. The floor! Oh my.
Hey, the floor is lava. Hey! Get it? Because the floor is lava.
Some people just died in front of my eyes. Wait, did a creature die because the fire's gone? What is happening? Are you supposed to go down? No? Does anyone know the code?
I know. The code is the R50 Bros.
Guys, the phone is ringing. We should
No,
pick
I was
it
the guy. The phone is
up.
ringing. We should.
Hello? Who's there? Should we go that way?
Hey guys! It's a funny neighborhood. Pirates.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
But seriously, I have firearms.
There's something terrible.
I have firearms. I will burn you.
Those are just red hands.
No.
You got caught in red-handed.
I have fire in my hands. I'm on fire! You see, I can jump higher.
I'm like jumping this. I'm not jumping higher than you.
Okay. 3.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1. See, I'm jumping higher than you. Are you supposed to get this one? Nick, really?
That was me.
Okay. Let's not talk about it.
Run. Dan. Paul, you can't chase me. You call me.
Are you supposed to run? I think Nick knows what's happening.
No. What? No.
Okay.
You monster?
Don't go that way. What?
Ah!
Stop going after me.
He's chasing me! He's chasing me! He's chasing me!
Why are you going this way? Stop.
Ah!
Sorry, now you have to watch me.
Well, guys, I got to.
Oh, just take the spot.
If you want to see new
No,
videos,
we're not ending. Stop. Yeah, yes, you can. You can look at my computer.
Oh my god. What happened to my arms? My
Hold on.
arms! No!
This door is open. Get in. Oh. I survived. I just stayed in the kitchen. I'm like, so. Great. Everyone is here. Come on, Nick, you can end the video, but I'm staying.
Not.
So, guys, you have to watch my video to see the whole thing.
If you want to see my video where I'm walking, I'm doing exercise to lose that.
I can't believe that Brian left just so early.
We had to do something.
Yeah.
And if you want to see a video where we have to do some muscles,
Wait, I knew something was wrong here. Really? I think we're gonna survive. I don't know why.
you're gonna
Good
have to
news.
shoot the president.
Really? Oh. Lucky. I'm also a secret agent and wait, what? I know what's about.
Wait, do you want to shoot the president or shoot the agent?
I want to shoot the agent.
No! Or don't shoot anyone.
I don't want to shoot anyone. No one's even listening. We're just like walking around. Like, yeah, we're basically doing that. It's likely that the plane's gonna crash. So he tried to make the plane crash itself. I think there's like something right there. That's is.
Oh, plus, guys, and, in the video where
Oh, we're
one
supposed to
video-
find notes? We're supposed to find notes?
No,
Oh, well, I found a note, and I think I know where another note is. It's like, for
guys,
the,
there's only one thing. In one of my last videos, my cousin,
take this gun. Wait, what? Yeah, I'll take it.
my friend, my other friend,
You have one chance.
my other friend,
Discord him and kill him.
oh wait, my other friend, yeah, we did a video of Airplane 1, and I completely crushed the plane.
Oh yeah, I did Airplane 1.
Me
I
too.
will do it. Okay, I don't. Haha. The other guy's shooting.
Oh, your fault, just dance.
Okay. Nothing. Okay, doesn't matter. Just wait. Oh yeah. Put the gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us all. You know what? I'm just dancing on the side. It's just so funny. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters.
Prove it to the judge. We're the real president.
I don't trust you. Do I have to choose? I don't trust you. I'm like, he shot someone. Oh, he killed the agent. Yeah, the president. What is that? It's blood. It's the monster. Oh, just look. I'm like on the side doing nothing. It has been haunting us since The first trip. What first trip? I'm just joking. I tried to take advantage of the trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. You're welcome, Mr. President.
Yeah.
You
We are the Men in Black. I mean, the Men in White. It's Paul's white.
Hey, that was scary. At least it's finally gone now. It's finally gone now. Finally gone. Finally. Oh! Yay!
Well, at least one of us survived.
Yeah,
I died.
I did nothing at the end.
Okay,
I was like,
Paul, let's get a screenshot
of what?
of our end.
Wait, I want to see what happens. Victory. What's going on? Oh. Okay.
Well, guys, I gotta say this, guys. Paul, right behind me.
I'm right there. That was. I think the first one was better, right?
If you want to see a new video with this, if you want to see airplane one with Paul, I want you to hit the like button, like scream it out.
I thought you already did one.
No, I have to leave.
Oh. Okay.
I want you to scream the like button, and
That doesn't make any sense.
And-
Well, bye.
and smack that like button too. And I will see you all